Good morning, everybody. Today is Monday, March 30th. It is Spirit Week at Conley and Conley Homeschool. And it is also Character Day for grades K1 and 2. And I am Matilda, because I love Matilda. Anyway, we are going to do a little math. So we're going to talk about partners for 10. So when you think about partners, you think about things that always work together. Like Mrs. Downey and Mrs. Ahern are partners. And when you have Mrs. Downey and Mrs. Ahern and you put them together, we have a good, happy Conley school. So we're going to talk about different ways to get to 10. So there's a whole bunch that you can do at home for practice, but we're going to do 2 here today. So the first one, we're using these number bonds. You've seen them in school. We have 10, we have 8, and then we have something else that we don't know yet. And we need to figure out what that other number is. So one of the ways we could do it is blocks. We could use pictures. We could use a number line. We could use a number grid, 10 frames, all kinds of different ways. We have lots of different strategies, right? So I picked a number line, and I'll show you why I like the number line. So I know that we want to get to 10. So I'm going to put a nice big red mark on 10. That's where I want to get. I have 8 already. So if I have, ooh, look at my number line has a little mistake on it. I am missing the number 1. There we go. All right. So I already have 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I didn't even have to count them because I know I have 8. But I'm going to go to 8 right now. So I want to know 8 plus how many more gets me to 10. So 8, 9, 10. And then I count my jumps. I have plus 1 and plus 1 equals 1 plus 1 equals 2 jumps. So now I know my other partner, the partner for 8 to make 10 is 2. 8 plus 2 equals 10. And I also know, so 10 equals 8 plus 2. I know it doesn't matter which order I write my number sentence. I could have done this. I could have done 8 plus 2 equals 10. Doesn't matter. When we have, when we're adding, you can do them in any order that you want. And so that also tells me that I can turn this guy around, my turnaround fact. So I have 10 equals 2 plus 8. And I'm going to show you, just so you don't have to just believe me, I'll show you. So if I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have 8 plus 2 equals 10. Now if I bring that 2 over here, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I still have 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it doesn't matter if I do 8 plus 2 or 2 plus 8, I still get 10. All right, let's try another one. All right, so we have 10 again, because we're doing all partners for 10, ways to get to 10. So I have a 1 in my number bond. All right, so let me erase this because we're starting someplace different now. I'm going to fix this. All right. So we still want to get to 10. So I'm going to put my big, that's where we want to get. We have our partners for 10. Now, we're starting at 1 this time. Yikes. We've got a ways to go. All right, but we can do it. So I'm going to use my number line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I did 9 jumps. So 1 and 9 are partners. 8 and 2 are partners. So 10 equals 1 plus 9. And we know that I can just turn it around, right? So 10 equals 9 plus 1. we can handle that. Now, I did want to show you one thing. Let me see. So those are partners. They're always, if you want to get to 10, 8 and 2 are together, 1 and 9 are together. There's one I think you guys all know, 5 plus 5 are partners. So let me show you something and see if you notice what I notice when I'm trying to make partners for 10. So we just said, so first of all, if I have 10, right, 10 plus, how many more would I need to get to 10? 0, right? I wouldn't add anything. So 10 plus 0 equals 10. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to make a little chart. And we always want to get to 10. Alright, we can fill that in as we go. So we know 10 plus 0 equals 10. We just found out that 9 plus 1 equals 10. We also found out that 8 plus 2 equals 10. Do you notice anything yet? I've noticed something. Let me just keep going though. So I said 10, 9, 8. Oh, let me try 7. 7. Let me just draw it. Let me draw my number line. And I'm just going to start at 7. I don't have to draw a whole number line. I'll just start at 7. So 7, 8, 9, 10 is 1, 2, 3. Oh, do you see it now? So if I go like this, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, and I look over here, 0, 1, 2, 3. If this number gets smaller by 1, this number is going to go up by 1. So 6 plus 4, let me see if I'm right. Let me add my 6 over here. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 4. And then we just said 5 plus 5 equals 10. All right, so now we know all about partners for 10. Have a great day and keep on learning.